Imagine standing in the middle of endless vineyards, where the air carries the scent of ripe grapes and the horizon stretches across rolling hills and coastlines. Wine isn't just a drink, it's a story of the land, the people, and centuries of tradition in every glass. In 2025, the world's finest wine regions are not only producing exceptional vintages, but also offering unforgettable travel experiences every wine lover will dream about. Today, we're exploring the world's best wine regions for 2025, from timeless European estates to surprising new destinations shaping the future of wine. By the end, you'll be ready to plan your own wine-inspired adventure. Number 1. Bordeaux, France. Bordeaux remains one of the most legendary wine regions on the planet. With its prestigious chateau and vast vineyards along the Garonne and Dordogne rivers, this region has been setting the gold standard for centuries. Bordeaux is known for blends dominated by Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot, offering depth, complexity, and elegance. But 2025 isn't just about tradition here. Many Bordeaux estates are embracing organic and biodynamic farming, creating wines that respect both the environment and the palate. Visiting Bordeaux means more than tasting wine. It's about stepping into medieval towns, touring centuries-old cellars, and walking through vineyards that look like living art. Every glass here feels like sipping history itself. Number 2. Tuscany, Italy. Picture rolling hills, cypress-lined roads, and sun-drenched vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. Tuscany is the heart of Italian wine culture, famous for Chianti Classico, Brunello di Montalcino, and Super Tuscans that have captured global fame. In 2025, Tuscany continues to blend heritage with modern creativity. Many small producers are experimenting with innovative winemaking, while still holding on to the rustic, earthy flavors that define the region. Pairing a glass of bold red with handmade pasta under the Tuscan sunset is more than wine tasting, it's pure romance. It's no wonder Tuscany remains on nearly every wine lover's bucket list. Number 3. Napa Valley, USA. No list would be complete without California's Napa Valley. Known for its bold Cabernet Sauvignons and world-class Chardonnay, Napa has become a symbol of American wine power. Its sun-kissed vineyards, high-end wineries, and luxury hospitality make it a dream for both wine collectors and casual visitors. What makes Napa shine in 2025 is its innovation. Wineries are integrating cutting-edge sustainability practices, technology-driven tours, and farm-to-table dining experiences that bring wine and food together in unforgettable ways. It's not just about tasting great wine, it's about living the full Napa lifestyle, where every detail feels curated for luxury and joy. Number 4. Rioja, Spain. Spain's Rioja region has an unmistakable charm, where ancient traditions meet bold new flavors. Nestled along the Ebro River, Rioja is best known for its Tempranillo-based reds, aged to perfection in oak barrels, giving them richness and character. In 2025, Rioja is stepping further into the spotlight as boutique wineries rise alongside historic estates. Wine lovers can explore both centuries-old caves and ultra-modern wineries in the same trip. Add to that Spain's culture of food and celebration, and Rioja offers a wine journey that's as vibrant as the wines themselves. It's passion in a bottle. Number 5. Mendoza, Argentina. When you think of Argentina, you think of Malbec, and Mendoza is the region where this grape has reached legendary status. Set against the breathtaking backdrop of the Andes Mountains, Mendoza combines stunning natural scenery with wines that pack intensity and flavor. But Mendoza isn't just about Malbec anymore. In 2025, winemakers are experimenting with Cabernet Franc, Chardonnay, and blends that rival some of Europe's finest. And for travelers, the region offers horseback vineyard tours, outdoor tastings under the stars, and an authentic Argentine warmth that makes every sip unforgettable. Here, wine is both adventure and tradition. Number 6. Stellenbosch, South Africa. Stellenbosch is the beating heart of South African wine, where mountain ranges meet sprawling vineyards. Known for robust reds like Cabernet Sauvignon and Shiraz, as well as world-class Chenin Blanc, this region is winning over wine critics year after year. In 2025, Stellenbosch continues to evolve, with young winemakers pushing the boundaries of style and flavor. The scenery is equally captivating, dramatic peaks, fertile valleys, and a fusion of African and European influences. Stellenbosch isn't just producing great wines, it's telling South Africa's story in every bottle, each sip revealing a vibrant cultural blend. Number 7. Barossa Valley, Australia. Barossa Valley is where power meets passion. Famous for its rich, full-bodied Shiraz, this Australian icon delivers wines with intensity and bold character. Generations of winemakers here have perfected their craft while still embracing innovation. In 2025, Barossa stands out not just for its wines, but also for its hospitality. Think rustic cellar doors, immersive wine trails, and pairing experiences that celebrate the region's farm-to-table culture. When you drink Barossa wine, you're tasting Australia's spirit, adventurous, bold, and unforgettable. It's a region that invites you to explore with every pour. Number 8. Douro Valley, Portugal. The Douro Valley is one of the oldest wine-producing regions in the world, and its terraced vineyards carved into steep riverbanks are nothing short of spectacular. Best known for port wine, the region has also gained fame for elegant reds and whites. What makes the Douro unmissable in 2025 is the way it fuses tradition with breathtaking landscapes. Taking a river cruise along the Douro while sampling local vintages is an experience few places can match. This isn't just wine tasting, it's cultural immersion, surrounded by scenery that belongs on a postcard, making every moment unforgettable. Number 9. Marlborough, New Zealand. When it comes to Sauvignon Blanc, Marlborough is king. This region put New Zealand on the global wine map, with its crisp, aromatic whites bursting with freshness. But Marlborough isn't stopping there. In 2025, winemakers are exploring Pinot Noir and other varietals, adding new depth to the region's reputation. The landscapes are as striking as the wines, rolling vineyards set against dramatic coastlines and snow-capped peaks. Add in New Zealand's eco-conscious approach and welcoming spirit, and Marlborough becomes not just a wine destination, but an adventure in itself. Every glass here feels like pure discovery. Number 10. Santorini, Greece. Yes, Greece might surprise some on this list, but Santorini has been quietly becoming one of the most fascinating wine regions in the world. Its volcanic soil and unique climate give birth to crisp, mineral-driven wines, especially the native Assyrtiko grape. In 2025, Santorini's wine scene is booming, drawing international acclaim. Imagine sipping a glass of white wine while overlooking the Aegean Sea at sunset. It's a sensory experience that blends history, flavor, and jaw-dropping beauty. Santorini is living proof that Greece's ancient wine culture is finding a bold new voice on the global stage, inviting the world to rediscover it. And there you have it, the world's best wine regions to explore in 2025. From the timeless charm of Bordeaux and Tuscany to the rising stars of Santorini and Marlborough, each destination offers more than wine. It's an invitation to experience culture, nature, and history through every glass. So, which of these wine regions would you explore first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow wine lovers. Here's to new adventures, unforgettable landscapes, and the wines that make life truly special.